Hello, hello! It is time for another Dollar Tree haul. So I wanted to share some of the fun fall and Halloween items that I got, but I also included a bunch of snapshots at the end of the video. So just in case you're looking for something, you can see what they're coming out with. All the items that are in the snapshots are at the Dollar Tree in Crestwood off of Calsag Road. For those of you that live local, for those of you that don't, I know that you can order some items online. I posted the link below. You can click on that. Some items you only need to purchase 4. Keep in mind that Dollar Tree, as long as you have your email receipt, they will exchange the items when you go to pick them up. So that might be another alternative for you if you can't find what I have here. So I thought this wreath was really, this sign was cute for a wreath because you have actually 2 signs in one. So you can use the top one for something and you can use the bottom one. So I thought this was really fun and different. So you get 2 signs for the price of 1. Then I got this witch hat, not for anything particular, but to use it as a template. So if I wanted to make a wire frame out of this and maybe add some plastic canvas like I do in all of mine, I have this template that I can use, and that's what I saved them all for. Even the owl felt that we used that as a template, and we kept it so that we could create more owl wreaths. And a lot of you have been making those, so that's a lot of fun. Then I got these little skeleton heads. I am working on something. I can't wait to post it. I need a few more items to get it done, but they have the little skeleton parts, and if you watch this video to the end, you will see all the items that you can get with the skeletons because they have a whole section. Then, of course, we did our 2-sided wreath. So I did get a couple more of these screens because I'm going to make one more. If you did not see that video, it is a double-sided fall and Christmas wreath that I made. I posted the link in the comments below, and you'll be able to check that out and make your own. These you also can purchase online. So if you click on the Dollar Tree link below, just search Splatter Screen and you can order them. Yes, you do have to get 24, but again, you can exchange them. Then I got this. It is a stencil wheel for Halloween. So you can do different stencils, or if you wanted to take paint and just clean it off, it would be kind of messy with paint, but you could do it if you wanted to. So you can see all the little different things you can make signs with, or if you wanted to do it on fabric. So they have this stencil wheel for Halloween, which I thought was fun. Then I got these little skeletons because I wasn't sure which ones I was going to use. I might use both for what I'm planning on working on. So we will see what I decide and I come up with. It's either going to be these or these. And as I keep talking about my project, I got the chain. They have these along with the skeleton items, so you can do a really fun display with the skeletons. Then, before the season is over, I'm picking up a few of these because I have something that I want to make with them. Again, you can use this for your scarecrows, things like that. So you want to make sure that you pick these up before they put away all the summer items. Then I got these cute little signs, these silhouette signs, which I thought were really, really fun. I do have something in mind. I can only find one of the front of a house. I thought we could do a little house together, but I can't seem to find another one. And they also have the witch, so you can do whatever you want on here. And then they have the turkey. So these are kind of nice. They're that, I forget what they call these. It just says wood shape on here. But these also at Dollar Tree. Then I got this candle holder. I thought it was really cute for a tea light. And this was at the Calsag Dollar Tree. I've only seen them there. I haven't seen them anywhere else. And last but not least, I got this skeleton, which is also a tea light holder. And again, like I said, I can't buy everything, but if you stay tuned, you can check out everything that they have. So I do have a fun project coming up tonight. If you weren't able to find the pumpkin frame, which is very difficult, I do have one of those. I'm going to be sharing a video on how to make a flower pumpkin. So stay tuned and check out what Dollar Tree has, and find me on my next video. Bye now.